Hey everyone, it's Mark here again from OmniView Tech. So we've gotten a lot of feedback and a lot of questions regarding the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. So today we're going to be going over as to what's included and how all the drone and accessories fit in the actual bag. So first off, let me start off with the actual bag that comes with the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. So a little bit about the bag. The bag itself it's a very nice bag. It's very easy to hold, easier to handle. It simply goes around your shoulder, right? So, and at the same time, it's got a very nice finish to it. Okay, it's made out of 100% polyester. Okay, and it's very spacious inside. So it actually fits everything that you see on this table into the bag. Okay, so first off, you got the drone, right? It goes into this little slot right here. Right? It goes there very easily, and then now you got the remote. Okay. You got actually a little bit of a slot over here for the remote. Then let me go into the actual charger. Okay. You got all the propellers, and you have 6 pairs or 3 full sets that goes right on top here very easily. You can even put the cables in here if you want. Okay. The extra pair of control sticks that goes right in there. Okay, just close up. Cables, battery to power bank adapter, okay, ND filters, 3 pieces, okay, and lastly you've got the 2 extra batteries, okay, and you got 1 on the drone, so that goes in there very easily, okay, and lastly the charging hub, okay, so it goes on the side, okay, and once that's in, okay, you just close that up. And voila, everything fits, right? It doesn't weigh much. Easily hold it like this, okay? Or off you go. Thanks for tuning in, and see you guys again.